From the bustling heart of London to the rolling hills of the Cotswolds, England offers a tapestry of experiences as diverse as its history. Join me, Ahmed, as we embark on a journey to uncover the hidden gems and iconic landmarks that make England a must-visit destination. Whether you yearn for the thrill of a bustling city or the tranquility of ancient forests, England's charm is sure to captivate your senses. In this video, we'll delve into the top 10 destinations that should be on every traveler's bucket list. So fasten your seatbelts and prepare to be amazed by the wonders that await. Our journey begins in London, a global metropolis blending its storied past with a vibrant present. Imagine standing before Buckingham Palace, witnessing the iconic changing of the guard ceremony. The Tower of London, a testament to centuries of history, awaits exploration. For a breathtaking panorama, a ride on the London Eye is a must. London is a melting pot of cultures, a culinary paradise and a shopper's delight. Explore vibrant markets, indulge in world-class cuisine and soak in the electric atmosphere. Leaving the bustling city behind, we venture into the heart of England, to the picturesque Cotswolds. Here, time seems to slow down as you traverse rolling hills, honey-coloured villages and ancient woodlands. Picture yourself strolling through charming villages, their stone cottages adorned with blooming flowers, each telling a silent story of centuries past. The Cotswolds beckon hikers and nature enthusiasts alike, with trails winding through idyllic landscapes, offering breathtaking views at every turn. This is a place to escape the hustle and bustle, to reconnect with nature and to experience the true meaning of tranquility. Prepare to be captivated by the Lake District, a region of breathtaking natural beauty that has inspired poets and artists for centuries. Here, shimmering lakes reflect towering mountains, their peaks often shrouded in mist, creating an ethereal atmosphere. Embark on a scenic boat trip across Lake Windermere, the largest natural lake in England, and let the tranquility of the surroundings wash over you. For the adventurous, challenging hikes await, rewarding you with panoramic vistas that will take your breath away. Whether you seek solace in nature's embrace or an adrenaline rush on the mountaintops, the Lake District promises an unforgettable experience. The next four, Stonehenge, unraveling the mysteries of the ancients. Our journey takes us back in time to Stonehenge, a prehistoric monument shrouded in mystery and wonder. These massive standing stones, erected thousands of years ago, have captivated imaginations for centuries. Walk among these silent giants and feel the weight of history upon you. How were these stones transported? What purpose did they serve? Theories abound, but the true meaning behind Stonehenge remains an enigma, adding to its allure. It's a place to connect with our ancestors, to ponder the mysteries of the past, and to marvel at the ingenuity of humankind. The next, five, Bath, a city of Roman splendor and Georgian elegance. Step into a world of Roman history and Georgian splendor in the city of Bath. Here you can immerse yourself in the remarkably preserved Roman baths, a testament to the ingenuity of Roman engineering. Wander through the grand pump room, once a hub of social life, and imagine the elegance of bygone eras. Bath's architectural beauty extends beyond its Roman roots. The city boasts stunning Georgian architecture, best exemplified by the iconic Royal Crescent. Lose yourself in the elegant streets, discover hidden alleyways, and indulge in the city's thriving culinary scene. The next, six, Oxford, where knowledge reigns supreme. Our journey takes us to Oxford, home to one of the oldest and most prestigious universities in the world. Step into a world of academic pursuit where centuries-old traditions blend with modern scholarship. Explore the hallowed halls of colleges like Christ Church and Magdalen, their stunning architecture a testament to their rich history. Wander through the Bodleian Library, one of the oldest libraries in Europe, and imagine the countless volumes of knowledge it holds. Oxford is a city that inspires, a place where the pursuit of knowledge knows no bounds. Our next destination takes us to Cambridge, a city synonymous with academic excellence and serene beauty. Here, the gentle River Cam winds its way through the heart of the city, reflecting the magnificent architecture of its renowned university. Embark on a leisurely punting trip along the river, gliding beneath historic bridges and past charming college backs. Explore the grandeur of King's College Chapel, its fan-vaulted ceiling a masterpiece of Gothic architecture. Cambridge is a city that invites contemplation, a place to lose yourself in thought as you stroll along the riverbanks or wander through its historic streets. The next destination, Brighton, a breath of fresh air by the sea. From academia to the vibrant coastal city of Brighton, where Victorian charm meets modern eccentricity. Stroll along the iconic Brighton Pier, its arcades and food stalls buzzing with life. Explore the labyrinthine lanes and visit the Royal Pavilion, a whimsical palace in Indo-Saracenic style. Brighton embraces individuality, a place to soak up the invigorating sea air. The next 9, York, a journey through time. Step back in time in York, a city rich in history, echoing with tales of Roman legions, Viking raids and medieval grandeur. Marvel at York Minster, one of the largest Gothic cathedrals in Northern Europe, its stained glass windows casting colours. Walk the ancient city walls with panoramic views. Don't miss the Shambles, a preserved medieval street, its timber-framed buildings frozen in time. York transports you to another era where history comes alive. The next destination, Cornwall, where land meets sea in spectacular fashion. Our journey culminates in Cornwall, where dramatic coastlines meet rolling hills. Explore hidden coves, sandy beaches and surf spots. Soak up the scenery, visit the Eden Project, a world-renowned eco-park. And don't miss Land's End, the most westerly point of mainland England. The Atlantic Ocean stretches out before you, offering a sense of awe and wonder. Reconnect with nature, breathe in the fresh sea air, and create lasting memories. As our journey through England comes to an end, we hope you've been inspired to experience the magic of this captivating country. From the grandeur of London to the tranquility of the Cotswolds, from the ancient mysteries of Stonehenge to the vibrant energy of Brighton, England offers something for every traveller. So pack your bags, embrace the spirit of adventure and let England weave its spell on you. We guarantee you won't be disappointed. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more travel inspiration.